We're on the move again.
Yes, we are.
Today, we're sailing away.
You gonna go after me?
When you go, you have to push out, as well as exploring a must-see destination. Yeah! This is so cool.
Beautiful beach. You know, when we came to the berries, I was kind of looking for more remoteness, and it seems like we've found that.
Finally, we've found paradise.
Are you feeling better?
And the captain will have a bit of an emergency.
Well, you guys ready to see if we can hike up to this blue hole?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're on the move again.
Yes, we are.
That's good. That was a nice little stop.
I loved it.
Yeah.
It was perfect, like perfection. I could have stayed there forever.
A little bar right there on the beach.
You could go get food if you wanted a break from cooking. The sand was like sugar. Sea life everywhere. Nice blue patches. You could jump off the boat. It was.
Yeah, that was nice.
I'd like to stop there again. Did we stop there before?
No.
No.
So we're gonna jump past Soldier Key today, and we're going to where the blue hole is. And we're supposed to have some really nice weather here, so I'm looking forward to that.
Well, we have to time it with the tides to be able to go into the anchorage.
You got to go over this little shallow spot. And low tide, it's like 3.5 feet. We draw 4, so we're going, and we should get there right around high tide.
Yeah, we'll throw down the anchor, you know, if we go to the blue hole pool. If we don't, cool. There's this guy leaving reviews, and he's talking about, you know, like the creature in the blue hole, and I'm like, Jeremiah keeps reading it to me. I'm like, you gotta stop. I'm never gonna get in there.
B&G stuff's been awesome. Right now I'm running radar over here. You can see I have a hit right here. You can also see it on the chart. This is my autopilot. You can also have like audio. You can control the stereo there, all that. I don't know if you can even see it. Boat speed, where my rudder's at, wind stuff, what the depth is, all that right there. Right now I'm using heading hold, and you can do like no drift. You can use your navigation, so you can make it stay on like whatever wind angle you want. Right now we're just in the heading hold, but I'll switch it over a little bit, and I'll pick a spot where I want it to take us, and then it will just take us. We have like 8 knots of wind behind us. I don't know if you can see it, but 8 knots of wind behind us, and we're moving at 7.5 knots, so no point in even putting the head sail out. We got these people that are wakeboarding over here in shark-infested waters, but whatever.
Yeah, honey, you handled that like a boss.
What's that?
The cut.
Oh.
I didn't get film of it.
Oh, that's okay.
I got film entering it, but I didn't realize it was such a jagged process.
Oh well.
Like you zigzagged through here.
Yeah, you got to zigzag. You got to go right along the wall.
Did great.
Yeah, we did fantastic. Calypso handled it. There's a wasp behind you.
Oh my gosh.
Nope, nope, watch out, watch out.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're gonna piss it off.
Yeah, well, I don't want it up in there.
Gosh.
No, it's fine, it's running. It went up in there. It keeps on f***ing coming over here. That's probably why the people left. They gave us their f***ing friendly neighborhood wasp.
Man, last night was a rough night. Jeremiah woke me up at 1:30 in the morning just like panicking. I think because it's just so hot. Can't breathe. You know, we aren't able to run ACs all night because we couldn't get the solar done in time, or couldn't find anybody to do it, whatever. So just kind of in panic mode, but I think he's been dealing with a lot as far as like the water maker, weather, planning, remote anchorages, the baby on the boat. It just all adds up. People think it's like bikinis and sunshine and drinks flowing all the time, and it's really not. Like, you're living life out here remotely. Baby right there. So felt really bad for him. He slept in a little bit. He had a rough night. Went ahead and made some breakfast, and I got some coffee brewing for him. So I got his coffee there. I made the kids some pancakes. And then he doesn't really like sweets, so I did a breakfast sandwich for him. You can't really see it. It's basically an English muffin with eggs, jalapenos, Cholula sauce, cheese. He's not really a sweet pancake person. Are you feeling better?
I'm tired.
You had a rough night.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna put this on there, but okay.
Yes, you will.
And then
Well,
no, I had like a freaking full-blown panic attack at 1 o'clock in the morning. It sucks.
I woke up and like felt like I was in the Twilight Zone. I was like, what is going on? Like, cause you were just up, down, lights. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is the oddest behavior.
It was like so freaking hot, and I couldn't breathe. You can't catch your breath. I was a big bruise and it's like a bump, but you can't catch your breath. And started thinking, shit, man, if I had like a medical emergency, we're in a spot where you can't get out of it unless it's high tide, and you can't go at night, and so that's not till the next day at 17:30. So yeah, it was a bad couple hours there.
You feeling better?
I feel like on the edge. Those nerves are probably shot.
Yeah, well, it's been difficult. We've had a lot of maintenance issues, and when you add in like 2 kids, one's a baby.
Yeah.
Constantly trying to jump off everything.
Yeah.
Fall, and it makes it hard. It's a lot on somebody to worry about. I already talked about this, but
Oh, on here?
yeah, I think it's just all kind of added up for you, and you don't really get it out. It's difficult. It's a difficult process, but so moving forward, we might go check out the blue hole. The baby's napping, and then we'll get on out of here. I think you found a path to get out if it's not high tide.
Yeah.
I don't think we should stay here because that really freaked you out, and I can imagine. I've had moments of that out here, like, oh my gosh, what if? And I think adding Bryn in, because she's so little, has made that worry heightened.
Yeah, for sure.
So, because we were never like that before.
No.
We were fine. But Reese was older and he could talk when we started. Well, when we left the States. So, we'll get on out of here after the blue hole if we do go, and we'll get somewhere that's a little bit more easier to maneuver. And then I booked us in Nassau. We have a window coming up after we jump down the berries. I booked us a few nights in Nassau at like Bay Street Marina. It's a little expensive. It's nice. It's at Paradise Island. We've never done it before, but I think we need a break.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
And
It's been a month.
Yeah,
Has it been a full month, or
yeah.
maybe a little bit more? But yeah, let's go. Maybe I get some parts for the water maker.
Yeah, and that can, having the water maker on our deck is like, you're constantly like, don't kick it, don't kick it, don't kick it. If anybody knocks that other plastic piece off, it's done. This was Jeremiah's worst panic attack yet in life. It was worrisome, but we regrouped and decided to take the dinghy to go exploring. Let's go, baby.
What's that?
YouTube channel, maybe?
The Crooked Anchor.
Crooked.
Huh.
And also says
What year was that put there, Reese?
2024.
Okay, look, it's YouTube.
And there's also something it says on the back.
You gonna get on it?
YouTube. And Instagram.
That's one way to do it right there.
Yeah.
All right. Did you notice that was Fishing Shores too?
Did I?
Yeah.
Well, you told me.
Yeah. Fishing Shores 2 is anchored right here. I don't know if that's them, but or if they've sold it, but it's southerly.
Yeah.
And the Canadian flag's flying, so it's either the boat that they sold or it's them.
Up, down. We've been doing that, and she's like, up and down.
You think she likes the view?
Yeah. It's very relaxing. This was exactly what we needed, relaxing on a remote beach. It even had a sweet little swing to play on. We enjoyed that for a while before hiking up to the blue hole.
Let's get some height on that sucker.
It's gonna take me about 2 minutes.
All right, let's do it. Anytime now.
I'm starting. It's hard on the wooden swing.
Hello, lady.
Hi.
How was that? That was very nice.
Yeah, that was really neat. We've heard a lot about it. Last time we were here, we couldn't do it because the bugs were so bad. We tried. A much better experience, and we got to see it.
Well, you guys ready to see if we can hike up to this blue hole?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go, Reese. Can you jump off? Woo! A couple years ago, we were anchored here, and we came over to go to the blue hole, but it was like it was really bad weather, and it was right before it got dark, and the bugs were crazy, so we had the baby. Reese was young, And so we just rolled out, but happy to be back. This is pretty crazy.
The hike to the Blue Hole is about a quarter mile or so and pretty easy. It was cool to walk through the island landscape, which opened up to a beautiful scene. When you go, you have to push out. Okay?
Okay.
You gonna go after me?
Yeah.
Make sure you clear it. 1, 2, 3. This was so cool. We decided to leap into the super clear water. There's even a cliff to jump off of. We're probably catching some strange parasite, but hey, one in Rome. Woo! Yay!
Is that cool? Oh no, it's not alive.
Should we keep
Man,
this?
that's a nice
Oh
shell.
wait, and you cut that out.
Oh
and
yeah,
that's the row.
see, it's already been pulled out.
Beautiful beach, you know, when we came to the berries, I was kind of looking for more remoteness, and it seems like we've found that. Very nice. It's busier than it was before when we were here last time, but I was thinking about it, and that was right after COVID. Last time we were in the berries, we were the only ones here. We didn't see any boats. We found it. It's paradise. Beautiful. I've been trying to be a little bit more stylish. Not just all my string bikinis. Not that I don't love them, but now that I have a baby on my hip, I'm like, oh, I can't always wear those. They're not the easiest to maneuver when you're carrying a baby around. So when we go out like on adventures like this, I try to wear like fashionable, stylish stuff. So like a cute skirt. And then I'm gonna keep those hot little bikinis for when I'm on the boat and the baby isn't on me. I'm not constantly holding her. Loved the swing, the Blue Hole. Man, it was crazy. People were jumping in off the top. I didn't want to, I was a little bit nervous, but I still jumped in off the bottom. Whatever, right? It's all about your comfort level and the experience and what it is to you. And I think we're gonna head on out of here shortly and then try to find another beautiful anchorage. It's one beautiful anchorage after the other. It's really, really nice. Coming up.
What are you doing up here?
Do you wanna do it?
Yeah.
We're enjoying some more time on the hook.
Yeah, there's the fancy Spectra pissing all over the deck.
Weigh anchor and head to another anchorage because the weather is like swirly over the next couple days. We'll weigh anchor and head through the narrowest cut yet. If I see any shallow ground. Sometimes you have to snuggle right up to the rocks. I think that's the closest we've ever been to a wall.
Oh, he's coming over to you.
Then we're exploring a brand new destination with a lovely view of Calypso, right before it all goes to crap.
I will do my best to put the boat in gear.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.